This is how to play ncewele by Hlegiwe Mhlaba. The original key of the song is the key of C sharp. And in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to play the song using the key of C sharp. I'm sure most of you guys are familiar with this song, so I'm just going to play it a little bit so that people who forgot it can remember, and then I'll break it down after. Okay? Without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. So it says, ncwele, 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 ncwele. Okay, I'm sure you can remember it. So let's break it down. It starts right here on the key of C sharp. It starts right on this chord. Right on this chord. I believe everyone can see it. This is our number 6 on the major scale of the key of C sharp, also known as A sharp minor, second inversion. A sharp minor, second inversion chord. It's our number 6 on the major scale of the key of C sharp. So from 6, it goes to 5, which is this chord. Okay? From 5, it goes to 4. Sorry, this chord is G sharp. Okay? G sharp major, second inversion. From 5, it goes to 4, which is this chord. This chord right here. This is F sharp major, second inversion. Okay? F sharp major, second inversion. From 4, it goes to 1. This chord. Okay? This is C sharp major root chord. Okay? It's 6, 5, 4, 1. Let me sing it. Ncwele, ncwele. From 1, you go back to 6. And then you go to 5, your root chord, which is this chord. Instead of playing second inversion, we are now playing a root chord, which is G sharp major root. This chord. Okay? You want to move from 6 to 5. From 5, you go to 1, our second inversion. C sharp major second inversion. Okay? From 1, you go back to 5. And then you come to this chord. This is C sharp major. It's our first inversion. Okay, it's our first inversion. I believe everyone can see it. This chord. Okay, let's start again from the beginning. It's 6, 5, 4, and 1. 6, 5, 1. Back to 5. And 1. Okay, just on that part, we're going to introduce the bass. When you hit 6 on the right, also on the left, you're going to hit 6. When you go to 5, on the left, you go to 5. When you go to 4, on the left, you go to 4. When you go to 1, on the left, you go to 1. Alright, when you go back to 6, on the left, you also go to 6. When you go to 5, on the left, you don't go to 5. But you go to 7. This is a slash chord. It's 5/7. Okay? It's 6, 5/7, and then 1, both on the left and on the right. When you go back to 5 on the right, on the left you also go to 5, and then you go to 1. Let's do it again. It's 6 on the left. It's 6, 5, 4, 1. And then 6, 7, 1. You go to 5 and then 1. So from here, you're gonna go to this chord. From 1, from first inversion, you go to second inversion. Okay? I believe everyone can understand. From this chord, you go to this one, your second inversion. From 1, you go to 2. This is our D sharp minor chord. It is gonna be 1, 2. Okay, I believe everyone can see it. From here you go to your 1. Okay. Sorry, this stand is disturbing me. It's this chord, our C sharp major root chord. Okay, it's gonna be 1, 2, 1. And then from here, you go back to 1, 5, 6. And then you go back to 5, 1, 5. Let me sing it so that you don't get confused. It's ncwele. And then ncwele, ncwele. Okay? In numbers, it's 1, 2, 1, 1, 5, 6, 5, 1, 5. All right, I believe everyone saw it. On the left, when you play 1, 2, 1, you're also going to play 1, 2, 3. You're not going to play 1, 2, 1. Right? It's not gonna be 1, 2, 1 on the left. But on the left, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then you go to 1, 7. When you play 5 on the left, when you play 5 on the right, on the left you go to 7. 1, 7, 6, 5. You stay on number 5 until you play 1, 5. Did you see it? Let me repeat again for the last time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 7, 6, 5. You stay there until you play 1, 5. Okay? Let's start again from the beginning before we move to the next part. It's 6, 5, 4, 1. 6, 5, 1, 5, 1. From here, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, on the right it's 1, 2, 1, 1, 5, 6, 5, 1, 5. Again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1 on the right, on the left is 1, 2, 3, okay? And then 1, 1, 5, 6, 5, 1, 5. We're gonna move to the next part where it says ncwele, 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 ncwele. Okay, that part starts right on our number 1, C sharp major root. Okay, it starts right on 1. It's gonna be 1, 2, 1. Ncwele. From here you go to 5. Ncwele, 6. From 6 you go to 1. Ncwele, to 2. From 2 you go back to 1, and then 5. From 5, you go back to 1, second inversion, and then root down here. You're going to play down here, our number 1 root chord. Ncwele, 1, 4, second inversion, 1, 4, and then you go to our number 4 root chord. And then from here, you're just going to move a tone higher, meaning you're going to skip D, just on this fingers. You're just going to skip D and then play D sharp, just like this. This is our number 2. Okay, it's D sharp minor chord. It's going to be ncwele, and then ncwele. From here, you go to 1, le, 5, ncwele, 1, le. I believe you are not confused. Okay, I'm gonna start again for the last time. Ncwele, 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 ncwele. Let's do it in numbers. 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 1, 2, 1, 5, 1, 1, 4, 4, 2, 5, 1. Okay, let's introduce the bass. When you play 1, 2, 1, on the left you're also going to play, you're going to play 3, 2, 1 on the left. Okay, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, and then 1, 2 on the left. Okay, from here you're going to play 4 and then 5. You stay until you play 1, and then you play 3, you play 4, you stay there until you play 1, 2, and then you move to 5. You stay there until you play 5 and then 1. For the last time. 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 2, 1. 1, 2, 4, 5. You play 1 and then 3, 4, you stay there, 5, alright. I believe everyone saw it, so I'm gonna start from the beginning and play the whole thing, alright? Ncwele.